I just heard the church bell briefly. I don't think they're going anymore. I can't hear because traffic is loud. Yeah. I just heard the ending chimes. Hold on. Oh, it's playing a song. I gotta get over there. It's playing a song, bruh. I'm in slides, so running is horrible, bruh. And I got a drawstring backpack. Come on, man. I think it stopped. Yeah, this is the 6 o'clock chimes. I'll probably upload this the next day because I'm gonna forget. Oh, it's still going. Yeah, it's still going. I'm walking home from the West Pool. Yeah, listen. There's a jet up there. Yeah, I don't want to get too close. There's like a whole thing over there. But I'll stand here and listen. This is the first time in years I hear the song up close. Yeah, it's this is the church it's at, right by Old Hilliard. Yeah, the bells are up there. They're electronic bells, so they're just speakers. I think it's done. Yeah. Well, that was cool. Oh, wait, no, they're not. They're playing another song. Cool. Hopefully I don't get a call while this is happening.